So what AI tools and resources can you use to boost your career? Well, now there's hundreds of AI-enabled applications, but I'm going to give you 5 really good ones that you can use all the time at work that will really help you do your job much better. So when it comes to large language models, obviously you want to be using one of these, and there's the big 3. You all probably know this: ChatGPT, Claude from Anthropic, and Meta AI. But some of the other ones we're going to talk about, you won't know as much about. So depending on the kind of work you do, if you do content-based work, there's apps that can really help automate what you're doing. For content creation, you've got options of Jasper, AnyWord, and Writer. So by the way, I said 5 top ones, but I'm giving you an option for each one, right? So the first one is you got to use an LLM, which are chatbots, very sophisticated ones. That's ChatGPT, Claude, and Meta AI. But for content creation, I've just given you 3 options as well: Jasper, AnyWord, and Writer. What's cool about Jasper is it's open source. So for the third area, we've got task and project management. You need one of those that's really good. So one option is Asana, which I've used multiple times before and is a very good project manager. But for day-to-day task management, having used Asana, try the link below. I think it's much, much better at managing your workload on a daily basis. And I say in the link that this tool literally increased my output by 6 times over before I started using it. So this works, and it's outstanding. So that's the third area: task and project management. For slide decks and presentations, obviously there's PowerPoint, but if you're looking for something outside of that, you can try Tome, Beautiful AI, or SlidesGo. So these are all good options. The best thing to do is to do free trials and try them, right? And decide which you like using best. Obviously, when it comes to slide decks or presentations, I just listed 3 outside of the Microsoft ecosystem, but you want to compare those to PowerPoint. Now, here's one. The 5th area is one you really need during your entire career. I believe the average now is up to 8 jobs in your career. So there's a lot of moving around. So a resume builder is key, and here are 3 AI-enabled resume builders that can help you: Teal, Kick Resume, and Enhancefy. So those 3 can lay out for you a really good resume, but of course, always with your resume, you have to personally edit it. And all the job search experts now recommend, because of AI screening of all resumes, that you have to put in relevant keywords for each job that you're applying for into your resume before you submit it. That's to get you through the first filter. But writing a resume completely from scratch is seriously time-consuming, which is what everyone did before these near-new AI tools started appearing. So check those out: Teal, Kick Resume, and Enhancefy. So now I've given you 5 areas, 5 critical things that you need to use AI for at work. One is a chatbot large language model for writing, research, planning, etc. The second is content creation, if that applies to you. The third is task and project management. The 4th is slide decks and presentations. And the 5th is resume builders. Believe me, you will use a tool that you pick from the options I gave you all the time in each of these areas. And by the way, I extracted this from Zapier, their blog. So I will mention that I personally use Zapier to connect multiple applications to create a holistic ecosystem for social media management. I also have friends who use Zapier to connect all their different apps in their real estate business. So Zapier is a really important thing if you're using multiple apps to connect it all together and make it seamless. So I hope this helps, because the AI guide is not only trying to steer you into relatively AI-safe career paths, but we're also trying to give you really good AI tools to use that you will use at work constantly, including the 5 groups that I just talked about. So thanks so much. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, please support us on Patreon or buy me a coffee. Either way, we need your financial support to continue to grow the channel and bring you more and more resources and guidance as the automation wave starts to fully hit in 2025. Yes, there will be job losses starting this year due to automation, and it will accelerate year over year in 26 and 27. So thanks again. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye.